Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today's video, we are going to be looking at personal branding. Now, on a Monday, usually, guys, I talk about cash flow and how to start to generate that cash flow with affiliate marketing. And we are going to cover that, but I'm going to speak about specifically my legion secrets and also cash flow, as well as personal branding. How does it actually help? And I'm going to show what I am personally doing so that it is applicable to you if you want to do the same. Okay, guys, I'm here on my screen. And before I go ahead and actually talk to you guys about specifically my legion secrets and how personal branding has helped me in my journey and everything else, I just wanted to show you the strategy that I'm following. This video specifically and this channel, if you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back to the channel. And this channel is all about skill sets that help us pave the way for our dreams to come true. What basically that means is that I'm personally using affiliate marketing to be able to leverage my time on the side to be able to get an income online. So this is what personally I'm doing. And this is my entire strategy that I personally follow. I'm keeping it very simple, very strategic. And if you want to know more about the exact method, the exact way that I go about doing this, obviously this channel is here for that. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I talk about the strategy 3 times a week, but also if you want to know the details about it, how I'm actually implementing it, what am I doing, I can't cover everything obviously in these videos. So I have a short little course that I created. If you want to check that out, the link is in the description of this video. You can get it. Basically, there are 2 steps. The first step is focused on cash flow, which we talk about on Mondays. And the second step is the traditional, I would say, or the actual way of building a long-term asset and sustainability with affiliate marketing. Now, I do have a full-time job. This is something that I do on the side. So make sure that you do your due diligence. If you want to learn, if you want to educate yourself, this information is freely available. I put together the strategy, but the rest of the information, how you can actually go about applying it, you can get it for free on this channel. So there's a lot of value. I believe very much so that you can use YouTube as a great education for yourself. It's where I go to in order for me to learn the skill sets also. But then if I want to get a little bit more strategic with some kind of methods with relation to, let's say, email marketing and so on and so forth, then obviously I do have some courses and training that do that. But that's what I personally buy. And in doing so, I'm not the traditional email, let's say, affiliate marketer out there that doesn't speak about, just random products or services. I promote products and services that I personally own. And therefore, you will never get, at least on my channel, you will never get something that I don't own myself. So that's just something that I want to share with you. This is the strategy. Let's get into exactly. I want to make this video a very conversational video about personal branding, and I will share with you why I think is important. But first and foremost, we are going to be talking about using a platform called My Legion Secret. And now My Legion Secret, let me just explain to you what it is. It is a platform that basically can give you, the product is that it gives you 100 to 200 leads every day. You see, as marketers, guys, one of the main things that we focus on is on advertising. And usually you're spending your time, whether it's doing SEO and creating blogs, whether it's videos that you're using different TikTok, YouTube, any kind of channel to create videos, to start to generate this community, to start to generate these leads. And then you build your email list. You have to build your email asset, right? This is also what it's doing right here. You have traffic or you have advertising that goes to a landing page and builds this email asset for yourself. Now, in doing so, getting 100 leads every day is not a very simple task. So for me personally, with my current situation, the fact that I do have a job, I decided, you don't have to, I decided to get into My Legion Secrets because of this specific reason. That being said, obviously it is a time saver because it solves the problem of finding these 100 to 200 leads every single day. That's the only thing that they guarantee you, to give you that 100 leads. And if you do get one referral within My Legion Secrets itself, then you can get 200 leads. That's what it gives you. Now, I leverage this platform. They're co-registration leads. If you want to know what co-registration leads are, it's simply leads that have said yes to receive emails or marketing emails from somebody else. And I'm saying this for a specific reason. The main reason that I'm talking about this, or why I'm saying that they're co-registration leads, is because it's always necessary to understand your audience, the advertising platform, specifically with paid advertising, who you're speaking to. Because if they are, for example, you have safe lists out there, and if you use safe lists, it's a completely different style of marketing when it comes to safe lists. And it's a completely different style of marketing when it comes to leads like this, co-registration leads. It's a different style of marketing when you are organically building up your email list, and then speaking to them. So it changes along the different advertising sources. And if you understand this, this is how you're going to get the best conversions. Me personally, I didn't understand it for a long time. And now when I do apply these strategies and apply this knowledge, this is where it changes for me. This is how I've been able to generate $500 consistently every single month. But this is not, results for you. These are my personal results. And I think that's a very good side hustle to have. Imagine if you just want to make $100 every single month or $200 every single month. Using My Legion Secrets can be possible. So they provide these leads, and they provide a platform where it's a one directional way that you can do it, but you can send an email out every day to these leads that you get, and they accumulate over time. So let's say in the first month you're getting 3,000 leads, second month 6,000, and then the third month 9,000. So, and it keeps growing from there. So it's a good asset, in my opinion, to have always as a good advertising source. And your only job, our only job, is to actually convert those leads into sales. And here is where the second skill set comes into place, which is it's giving you an area, giving you a platform where you can practice your email marketing, improve your email marketing skill sets. This is how I personally look at it. And I enjoy the process of actually creating better emails every single day. So what I personally do is try to build a relationship with my lead. All of these things are connected to each other. Just to cover the price, it does cost. It's not free. It costs, as you can see, $1 per day. So it costs $30 per month to keep active. The first month is $60, and then after that, you can have it for $30 every single month. I'll leave the information is all on this page. I'll leave this page below in the link below, so you can feel free to check it out and decide if you want to get it or not. Okay. That's just an extra resource that I'm sharing with you. Obviously, if you do decide to get it, let me know in the comments below, because I don't even mind giving you this entire strategy for free if you do get it, because it will be useful for you and you can start to use the strategy to generate, sales and everything else. The reason why I created this course, guys, just to let you know, is to pass the strategy forward, to let you guys understand how I'm actually doing it. So that's what we're using in My Legion Secrets. Now, obviously, let me connect everything together. This is the back office of My Legion Secret. Every day we come here and we send out an email using the mailing system, and we can edit our emails, but it is one direction, once every 24 hours. There are a few things that come into the perspective here, which help with personal branding. One of the first things is that you have the send form from, and you can see right here, you can either do it with My Legion Secrets as a generic company name if you want to stay anonymous, or I would prefer, obviously, with personal branding, having your name there. Reason being is that you're starting to now be in front of these co-registration leads who don't know you. Understand that already. They don't know you. They don't know who you are. And your aim is to build a relationship with them. And how you can build a relationship with them is putting that element of yourself into it. Okay, your voice, your personality. Let's say your product is dealing with, you can say, the most converting offer on ClickBank, for example, is live chat jobs. Let's say you're using live chat jobs and you're talking to them about this option right here. You can use this option, talk about it, but share a little bit of your own thoughts and perspective on it, but also with your own voice, and your own how you speak. Okay, remember, how you speak is very important. This is how you stand out from the crowd. You're not copy pasting promotional emails. You're creating a relationship with your leads. This has worked the best for me, and therefore I'm sharing it with you. Now, that being said, this is one aspect. The second best aspect, which you can use personal branding with, let me just load my last email so you guys can see. The second best, in my opinion, and I think you should do this with every email, is add your picture here. Now, how can you add your picture here so that people know who you are and stuff like that? I have a video that I did 8 months ago, as you guys can see. I've been using this platform for some time, 8 months ago, and it is in the description of this video. I'm going to keep it there as a resource, and I'm also going to link it up right now so that you guys can see this video itself and how you can add your picture in your signature and what is the signature strategy. Why all of these elements make sense is that, as I said, first and foremost, personal branding in this way with your emails is, in my opinion, one of the key elements that has helped me convert even more than before. Because not only the writing style, obviously I'm sharing a little bit about myself here. Okay, so some things that I talk about within my emails itself are just exactly how I say it. It's about me. So let me just show you, for example, this one right here, which is an email that I sent yesterday. I already got a conversion on it. So this is an email that made me a sale, and I'm first and foremost saying what the offer is, that it's only on invite. So if I'm sharing it right here, it's not a public link. Not everybody's going to get it. These are unique offers that I'm sending out here. And then I talk a little bit about, how know by now that I personally don't do hype marketing. I don't promise the world extra and all these fancy things. I'm just giving you guys the information as it is. And then I talk about the two things that are important. I talk about the seriousness of it also in my email. And guess what? This got me a sale. Why? Because I'm upfront with with the person, the lead that is actually doing this, but I'm also sharing a little bit about my thoughts and my values. This is not something that a chat GPT can create because they are my own thoughts. This is not something that anybody else can create because they are my own personal opinion about things. And if I don't own the product, and this is why I said before, you don't own the product, it's hard for you to write these things because you're not using the product. I personally use these products that I'm sharing, and I'm an affiliate for it, but I'm using them also. So therefore, I can actually speak about certain aspects that are important to me. You and I are unique, and this is why it's going to make a difference. So I want this to be crystal clear. For me, personal branding has been a key element. Now, one of the things that I personally don't do, which I should be doing, is adding at least my Facebook and YouTube. So that's what I want to do for the next quarter. So I take my year in terms of quarters. It's just how I function. So the first quarter of this year, which is ending at the end of this month, I have not added my Facebook link and my YouTube channel here. But what I will do from the next quarter is that I will use the same exact method, this right here, add my Facebook, add my YouTube, and most probably I'll add my TikTok also, because those are the three channels that I personally promote a lot of free information for the customer. But in doing so, what's happening right here is that if somebody doesn't even buy anything, they don't need to buy anything, but they click on my Facebook and they get to see the content that's publicly available on Facebook, or they click my video and go to my YouTube channel and check out my YouTube channel. They can see I'm a real person, that I'm talking about these strategies, that I'm sharing about different things, and they can get to know, like, and trust me. And maybe in the future, they would want to work with me in a different way, or maybe not. That's okay, as long as I'm branding myself and I'm building this relationship. So the key element here that I think is important, can personal branding actually help? Yes, in any kind of marketing. And I'm not saying that I am the best brand that exists. Okay, no, I have a lot to learn and there's a lot to do. But at the same time, I'm taking action on the little things that I am learning along the way. And that's what's getting me the results that I have. So just to share with you guys, I'm going to go to Warrior Plus and just give you guys an idea of exactly since the beginning of this year, how much my Legion Secrets has got me. Again, I'm sharing these, but these are my personal results. Okay, these are my personal results. That doesn't mean you're guaranteed any results in any way, shape, or form. I'm just giving you guys this disclaimer out there. I have all the disclaimers and disclosures in the description of this video. It's always going to be there, but I'm going to just show you right now. If I put MLGS, so this is year to date, you can see from January to March, and I'm just going to put MLGS, and you can see that so far I've made $860 in commissions just from the strategy alone. Okay, so it is going well. I'm super happy with it so far. I made 57 sales. You guys can see that it's recent sales. So from the 30th, I'm shooting this video on the 14th of March. This is on the 13th of March. I've got sales. Okay, keeps coming in. It grows. I have multiple products that I'm promoting as well, but I'm getting sales and I'm trying different products, and I haven't got a single product that has not converted, specifically not because of the product. And I'm going to repeat this a million times. It is not because of the product at all, in my opinion. The product, what it shows me, that the product sales process converts. But my emails, the reason why it's that I'm getting the most conversions, as I see, is I'm writing evergreen emails. I'm creating that relationship. I'm building that brand with the people that don't know me, because they're co-registration leads. They just don't know me. So I'm growing this relationship with them. And over time, they trust me more and they buy more. And this is what I'm seeing. Just sharing my personal experience, but it is one of the things that I just wanted to cover on a Monday. So again, guys, if you want to follow this strategy, if you want to start to generate, $300, $500 per month, this strategy can do that for you. It has the potential to do that. But yes, you need to put the work, the effort, and improve the skill sets. Take it for a year. That's personally what I always say. If you get my Legion Secrets, use it for at least 12 months. Actively, every single day, send out an email and improve those emails. If you do not get results, stop it after a year. You've not wasted your time. You're learning what works and doesn't work at the end of the day. Guys, I hope this video was educational, gave you the right content. If you have any questions, leave them below. Subscribe to the channel and make sure that you come back for more, because every single Monday I will be posting a video on this topic. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.